Welcome to Orion Auto Update. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Beta RRX-PRO 300, a dirt bike that promises to push boundaries and deliver an unparalleled off-road experience. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RRX-PRO 300 is a powerful 300cc two-stroke engine, refined for 2025 with enhanced fuel delivery and optimized power output. Beta has focused on providing smoother torque at lower RPMs while maintaining the aggressive top-end punch that riders crave. Whether you're climbing rocky hills or ripping through sand dunes, this bike is designed to respond with precision. Chassis and suspension. Beta continues its tradition of excellent handling with an all-new lightweight frame that improves agility without compromising stability. The KYB closed cartridge forks and upgraded rear shock ensure better damping, giving riders more control over rough terrain. With adjustable suspension settings, the RRX-PRO 300 can be tuned for different riding styles, whether for enduro racing or weekend trail riding. Electronics and features. The 2025 model introduces a refined traction control system, helping riders maintain grip in challenging conditions. A new digital display provides real-time telemetry, including speed, RPM, and gear position. Additionally, an upgraded electric start system ensures quick ignition, reducing downtime on the trail. Braking and tires. Beta has enhanced braking performance with larger front and rear disc brakes, improving stopping power in wet and dry conditions. The bike also comes equipped with premium off-road tires, offering better traction on mud, gravel, and loose dirt. Final thoughts. The 2025 Beta RRX-PRO 300 is shaping up to be a serious contender in the off-road scene. With improved power delivery, a refined chassis, and modern electronics, it stands as one of the most capable dirt bikes on the market. Whether you're an experienced racer or an adventure enthusiast, this bike is built to impress. Stay tuned to Orion Auto Update for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments, is the RRX-PRO 300 your next ride?